Ngayon, learning task 3, write each sentence as conditional. If P, then Q, converse. If Q, then P, inverse. If not P, then not Q, contra-positive. If not Q, then not P. Number 1. Vegetables are good for your health. Conditional. If it is vegetables, then it is good for your health. Converse. If it is good for your health, then it is vegetables. Inverse. If it's not vegetables, then it is not good for your health. Contra-positive. If it is not good for your health, then it is not vegetables. Number 2. 3x plus 8 equals 14. X is equal to 2. Conditional. If 3x plus 8 equals to 14, then x is equal to 2. Converse. X is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2, then 3x plus 8 is equal to 14. Inverse. If 3x plus 8 is not equal to 14, then x is not equal to 2. Contra-positive. If x is not equal to 2, then 3x plus 8 is not equal to 14. Number 3. A right triangle has a 90-degree angle. Ang conditional nito, if it is a right triangle, then it has a 90-degree angle. Yung converse nito, if it has a 90-degree angle, then it is a right triangle. Inverse nito, if it is not a right triangle, then it has no 90-degree angle. Ang contra-positive nito, if it has no 90-degree angle, then it is not a right triangle. Number 4. An eagle is a bird. Ang conditional nito, if it is an eagle, then it is a bird. Ang converse nito, if it is a bird, then it is an eagle. Inverse nito, if it is not an eagle, then it is not a bird. Contra-positive nito, if it is not a bird, then it is not an eagle. Number 5. A whale is a mammal. Conditional. If it is a whale, then it is a mammal. Converse. If it is a mammal, then it is a whale. Inverse. If it is not a whale, then it is not a mammal. Contra-positive. If it is not a mammal, then it is not a whale. Number 6. Two circles with equal diameters are congruent. Conditional. If two circles have equal diameters, then they are congruent. Converse. If two circles are congruent, then they have equal diameters. Inverse. If two circles do not have equal diameters, then they are not congruent. Contra-positive. If two circles are not congruent, then they do not have equal diameters. Number 7. An angle that measures between 90 and 180 degrees is obtuse angle. Conditional. If an angle measures between 90 and 180, then it is an obtuse angle. Okay, again, conditional. If an angle measures between 90 and 180 degrees, then it is an obtuse angle. Converse. If it is an obtuse angle, then the angle measures between 90 and 180 degrees. Inverse. If an angle, again, if the measure of an angle is not between 90 and 180, then the angle is not an obtuse angle. Contra-positive. If the angle is not an obtuse angle, then the measure is not between 90 and 180 degrees. Okay, number 8. Two planes with no common point are parallel. Conditional. If two planes do not have common point, then the two planes are parallel. Converse. If the two planes are parallel, then they have no common point. Inverse. If two planes have common point, then they are not parallel. Contra-positive. If two planes are not parallel, then the two planes have common point. Number 9. Carrot is rich in vitamin A. Conditional. If it is a carrot, then it is rich in vitamin A. Converse. If it is rich in vitamin A, then it is a carrot. Inverse. If it is not a carrot, then it is not rich in vitamin A. Contra-positive. If it is not rich in vitamin A, then it is not a carrot. Okay, number 10. All reptiles have scales. Conditional. If it is a reptile, then it has scales. Again, conditional. If it is reptiles, then they have scales. Converse. If they have scales, then they are reptiles. Inverse. If they are not reptiles, then they don't have scales. Contra-positive. If they don't have scales, then they are not reptiles.